Welcome back to another video. Today we have a buffer deal. This is a Hart buffer deal. So if you want to get a buffer kit for $39.98, definitely jump on it. Even if you're not on the brand, or if you're not on this platform, it's a great value. For 40 bucks, you're going to get the buffer and you're going to get the battery and a charger. As you guys see here, it says Hart 20 volt cordless 10-inch random orbital buffer kit with 1.5 lithium battery. So definitely check it out, guys. I guess you're gonna get a charger with this. It does not have, let me see if I can get a, yeah, it doesn't give me the option for that. So anyways, I already got out of this thing. So I'll leave the link down below in the description section. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.